I have my sound effects. This is the sound ID for the explosion. This one is the sound ID for the transparent ball. And then this is the sound ID I'm using for jump. And it's going to give me that sound there. Okay. So, yeah, maybe I can change that. It sounds a little slow, so I'm going to change the playback speed to 0.8. Alright, there we go. And so we need to go ahead and insert that into the different scripts. And so luckily we have it set up as a module script, so we only need to change it in one place. We don't need to go back and change the script in every single one of these ball parts. So another reason why module scripts are awesome. And so let's come back over here, and the explode is going to happen here, right? So what we want to do is say local boom is equal to game dot workspace dot sounds dot boom, and then we're going to say boom play like that. Okay, so that should boom when I'm going to copy this, and then the transparent is this one here. So we want that to play right there after the wait. So I'm going to change this one to buzz, and then I'm going to play the buzz. Okay. And then finally, we want the increased jump. Oh, we also want the booby trap to play the sound. So we're going to copy this here, and we're going to paste it right over here. And then finally, we want to play the sound on the increased jump. So we're going to say jump here, and play the jump here. Okay. And then the next thing that we want to do is if the player touches the angel, this function is going to run. So we want to increase the player's jumping power. Okay. And so what is the character, right? When we're over here and we get the player from the workspace, let me go and play the game so I can show you what we're actually getting. When this script is running, it's checking if the touch part's parent has a humanoid as a child, right? And it will if it's the player. And then we are getting the part's parent, which is the character's name, and then we're finding him in the workspace. And so if you look right here, where am I? Okay, I'm right here. So workspace, and it finds this right here, right? My name in the workspace. And this is my character. Okay, and we're saving it here in this character variable, and that's what we're giving to the increased jump function. So when it comes over to the module script here, this character is the player here. Okay, and if you remember from a few videos back, or quite a few videos back, humanoid under the character has quite a few properties that we can play around with, like max health, starting health. I believe it has, what else does it have? It has the ability to jump or not jump. It has walk speed, right? And what we want to change is the jump power. Okay. Actually, I don't think I did this with my original game. I think what I did in my original game, although you could do that, change the jump power, I think what I did in my original game is I took the workspace and I changed the gravity value to a lower value so that he could jump higher. Okay, so let me go back here, and I actually don't need the character. I just need to check if the character touched the NPC and then run increased jump. Now that I'm over here in module script, don't need the character. I am going to say game.workspace.gravity is equal to the previous gravity minus some number, let's say 50. Okay, and so now if this runs once, then he should be able to jump quite high. So let's go ahead and test this out, see if it actually works. And before we do go look for the angel and touch him, let's go and see if the sound works for this explosion here. There we go. Good. And then I'm going to assume that the zoom does work on the transparent balls, right? And then to make life easier for us on the test, I'm going to move the angel right to the entrance of the maze. So let's go find one of these guys. Where is he? Right here. Okay, and let's remember where he is, right? He's right over there. And let's go ahead and bring him here and test this out, see if it works. We should hear a sound. There we go. Oh my gosh, I got wings. How weird. But you see here, I am able to jump now over the wall when previously I was not able to. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why I got the wings, but I like it. Okay. And so let me show you. Let me show you something that is like an error. So let me touch him again. Now I could jump even higher. Do you see that? Right. And then I could touch him again, and I could jump even higher, but I gotta touch his torso, which is kind of a pain because he's in the wrong spot. Okay, there we go. So now I'm gonna jump, and so I can keep touching the same angel over and over and over again. So that's a bug, and we're gonna fix that in the next video.